Hi guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. So today guys, we prepared BB octopus. This is fresh one guys. We have lime here and pickled radish and sausawan guys. The sauce is samyang with wasabi. So let's start to eat guys. First bite. Wow. Mm. Wow. Sarap guys. Wow. Lime guys, lime. Mmm. Yummy. Grabe, ang sarap. Mmm. Sarap guys. Very fresh. Mmm. Grabe. And this pastry this guys. I'm craving fresh squid, but I found this baby squid. Anyway, guys, this is 500 grams. Mm. Yesterday we bought it, this one, but said this morning they sent it, so still fresh one is from the sea. Mm. Really love it now. Did you guys try to eat fresh baby squid? Guys, try it, guys. It's very yummy. Put samyang with wasabi sauce. Wow, I love it. I really love it, guys. Just try it, guys. Wow. Mmm. The sweetness of the meat, the meat of this squid, so yummy, amazing. I really love it, guys. Mm. Even though you eat this one, 1 kg, I can finish it. I really love fresh. Mmm. Umami. Umami. Yummy. Mm. Suju guys, this time I drink suju with mm, melon flavor. Little bit cola guys. Cola. Wow. Best. I love it. I love it guys. I love it. Wow. Mmm. Umami. Anyway, I'm waiting my tuna guys. Maybe next video or next week because when we go the shop, he said, nah, out of stock. Very hard to find also the tuna. Because that one is they catch us from the deep of the sea. So we were just waiting, guys. But this one, wow, yum yum. Mm. You put a little bit uh, sour of your sauce, guys. Wow. Mm. Really, really. But this time I ate 500 grams only, guys. That is the last the last one left from the shop. So I'll pick it all. Very fresh one, guys. You know, you can feel the sweetness of this, the meat of this squid, baby squid. Wait, yummy. Feels like, oh, mommy. Wow. Mm, yummy. This is Chinese pickle radish, guys. Inside the thin one. Mm. Mm. sour, spicy. Yeah, yes, spicy, but because I just put little bit wasabi in my sauce, just little bit, guys. I don't want too spicy anymore. Mm, the last one. Mm, mm. So yummy, guys. And the soju with cola, wow, amazing taste. Try it, guys. Try it. Did you guys love to eat fresh squid? Most especially the baby one. So just try it, guys. So that's all for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoy watching my video. See you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.